Looking for the best drones on AliExpress in 2025? From beginner-friendly flyers to advanced 8K GPS drones with obstacle avoidance, I've got you covered. In this video, we'll go through the top 5 best drones of 2025 with features, pros, and cons so you can find the perfect one for your budget. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. Let's get started. Number 1. Potensic Atom SE GPS drone under 249 grams. The Atom SE weighs under 249 grams, so no registration is needed in most regions. It comes with GPS auto return, a single-axis gimbal with EIS stabilization, 4 km transmission range, waypoint flight, and follow me mode. This drone is lightweight yet professional, offering stable footage and strong GPS features at a budget-friendly price, perfect for beginners who want reliability. Pros: lightweight and travel-friendly, no registration needed under 249 grams, 4 km range with GPS return to home, EIS stabilization for smooth footage. Cons: single-axis gimbal not as smooth as 3-axis, struggles in very windy conditions. The Potensic Atom SE is a great choice if you want an affordable, travel-friendly GPS drone under 249 grams. Number 2. SG-109 Pro Max Mini Drone with 4K Camera. This mini drone comes with a 4K HD camera, 5G Wi-Fi FPV video transmission, and a large 4.5-inch screen on the remote control. It includes GPS, return to home, and intelligent flight modes. The SG-109 Pro Max stands out with its built-in screen remote, so you don't need a phone to fly. Its 4K video and GPS features make it a solid mid-range option. Pros: remote with built-in screen, 4K camera with FPV streaming, GPS with auto return and follow me mode, easy to use for beginners. Cons: camera quality is closer to entry-level 4K. Battery life could be longer. For those who want a GPS drone with a dedicated screen remote, the SG-109 Pro Max is an excellent choice. Number 3. S155 Drone 3-axis gimbal plus 360-degree obstacle avoidance. The S155 features an 8K dual camera, 3-axis gimbal stabilization, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, a powerful brushless motor, and up to 6,000-meter transmission range. This drone is a step up in professionalism, with smooth 3-axis stabilization and advanced obstacle avoidance, making it ideal for high-quality aerial photography and long-distance flights. Pros: 3-axis gimbal for smooth footage, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, dual HD cameras with 8K support, 6,000-meter long range. Cons: higher price point, requires more flying experience. If you want pro-level stability and obstacle avoidance, the S155 is one of the best drones in its class. Number 4. S159 Drone Professional 8K Dual Camera. The S159 comes with 8K HD dual cameras, GPS, 360-degree obstacle avoidance, 5G Wi-Fi, brushless motors, and a foldable design. It also has a remote with a built-in display screen. This drone combines portability with professional features. The foldable design makes it easy to carry, while the dual cameras and obstacle avoidance enhance aerial safety and video quality. Pros: 8K dual camera system, foldable and portable, remote with built-in screen, GPS and optical avoidance. Cons: limited range compared to premium drones. Video quality depends on lighting. For a balance of portability and 8K recording, the S159 is a great pick for hobbyists and semi-pro users. Number 5. K8 Max Drone GPS with Airdrop System. The K8 Max has 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, GPS positioning, optical flow, strong wind resistance, and even an airdrop system. It includes a 4.5-inch screen remote for real-time video. What sets this drone apart is its unique airdrop feature, perfect for creative use or light delivery. Combined with GPS stability and obstacle avoidance, it's a fun yet powerful drone. Pros: unique airdrop function, 360-degree laser obstacle avoidance, large screen remote control, strong wind resistance. Cons: airdrop has limited use cases, bulkier than ultra-compact drones. If you want a feature-packed drone with obstacle avoidance and something unique, the K8 Max stands out. So which drone should you choose? If you need a lightweight, beginner-friendly drone, go with the Potensic Atom SE. For a budget drone with a built-in screen, the SG-109 Pro Max is perfect. If you want pro-level footage with obstacle avoidance, the S155 is your best bet. For portability and 8K cameras, check out the S159. And if you want unique features like Airdrop, the K8 Max is the most fun. These are the best drones on AliExpress in 2025, whether you're a beginner or an advanced pilot. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews. All the links to these drones are in the description below. Fly safe, and I'll see you in the next video.